Welcome to Beautyistic, where we review the latest beauty products with a professional touch. Today, we're diving into the Too Faced Better Than Sex Volumizing Mascara. This cult favorite promises to deliver everything you want in a mascara: intense volume, long-lasting curl, and impressive length, all packed in a rich black formula. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara is designed to give you voluminous, dramatic lashes that make a statement. With its unique brush and film-forming polymers, it claims to lift, lengthen, and lock curl in place throughout the day. This mascara also boasts the inclusion of peptides, which are great for nourishing the lashes while offering that bold, multidimensional effect. It's also cruelty-free, which is always a win in my book. When I first tried this mascara, I was impressed by how easy it was to apply. The brush is on the larger side, but it's perfectly shaped to catch every lash from root to tip. I didn't have to work too hard to get the results I wanted, which is always a plus. The formula glided on smoothly and didn't clump, even after multiple coats. And let's talk about the volume. It's as dramatic as it promises. I immediately noticed a fuller, thicker lash line with just one coat. By the second coat, my lashes looked long, lifted, and absolutely feathery. However, while the volume is undeniable, I did find that the mascara can sometimes weigh down my curl, especially if I go too heavy-handed with it. That's something to keep in mind if you have straight lashes or tend to over-apply. The wear time is impressive, though. I didn't experience any smudging or flaking, even after a long day. The formula locks in the curl and maintains its dramatic look without fading, which is definitely a highlight for me. As far as pros and cons go, the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara definitely has a lot of strengths. Its volume is impressive, and it delivers on length and fullness. The formula feels lightweight despite its bold impact, and the brush makes application a breeze. On the flip side, the only downside I noticed is that it can feel a little heavy if you over-apply. Also, if you're looking for a mascara that won't budge at all, you might want to check out a waterproof version of this. When it comes to value for money, this mascara falls into the mid-range price point, and I'd say it's worth it for the results you get. The size of the product, combined with the performance, makes it a solid choice for those who want dramatic lashes without compromising on wear time. Comparing it to other mascaras on the market, there are definitely some good alternatives, but few offer the same combination of volume and length. If you're on a budget, there are drugstore mascaras that get close, but they don't have the same lasting power or the nourishing peptides that this one does. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sleek and sturdy, and it feels like a premium product. It's definitely a little heavier than some other mascaras, but that adds to the luxe experience. As for longevity, I've found that it lasts well through the day without needing any touch-ups, and the product doesn't dry out quickly. If you're someone who loves a dramatic lash, this mascara will likely be your new best friend. The volume is intense, and it gives you a full, fluttery look that is perfect for both day and night. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. And as always, you can find the link to purchase the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara in the description box.